Let me show you how to access Web of Science through our library. So first of all, if you are on campus, you can directly open our library, but since I'm at home, I do need to connect through VPN, connect through university. Once I'm on VPN, what I'm going to do is simply click to go through our library web page. Once we're there, let's put in the search bar Web of Science. And library should really give us Web of Science as first result, but nonetheless, you make sure you choose the right result. It's the second item. Let's click Online Access and ask you to sign in again. So if you could not sign in, you can choose OpenAthen or choose to log in through our Iowa State through our NetID. It would be much easier if you're on campus using the campus computer, but if you're at home, you do need to use VPN. But anyway, if you have any questions access to Web of Science, let me know. You should always link through our library for sure. So now we are at Web of Science. There are many useful features, very powerful library database. I just want to give you a quick demo how you search. Let's search plastic. Search by topic. Search. We have how many results? More than 2 million articles. It's amazing. It's insane, right? We won't be able to finish it. So let's quickly narrow down the search by search ocean plastic. Now it's better now. We have 6,000, but still too much. Let's search ocean microplastic. Now we have only 1,200 papers. Still too much to read through. What I want to do is come here, sort by time cited on top. I'm going to click time cited, and I see that the first few articles all cited around 1,600 times. So those are the articles I'm going to focus on. I'm going to take a look at the first one, microplastic in the marine environment, year 2011. Seemed to be a very decent one, time cited almost 2,000 times. But I do want to check the journal before I start to read. So I'm going to click in, and the journal, see, view journal impact here. The journal impact is 4. It's decent. As I mentioned, anything larger than 2 is good. And also it depends on the field. So for example, biological field is very popular these days, so their impact factor usually is high, around 6 or above. For traditional fields like nucleation or other very niche fields, you will have a very low impact factor relatively. So sometimes you get even less than 1, but it doesn't mean the journal is not good. It just means it's a niche field, not many people working over there. So you do have to be a little bit more careful when you use impact factor to judge how good the journal is. Nonetheless, this is a good journal. I'm going to read through. You can say find PDF or get it through ISU. I'm not going to do it now. If it doesn't have available through ISU, you can request it through the library. They will provide you a copy once you request it. It's all free service. You don't need to pay. You should not pay for getting the paper if you're Iowa State student. What's more powerful I'm going to show you is now we know that around 1,800 papers cited this work. If I want to see what are those 1,800 papers, I can simply click here. Now you can actually see every single paper that cited this particular journal, this particular paper. And I can rank those papers citing this paper again. I see a lot more different papers. Once I rank them, I now have the papers published afterwards, and then I can rank them. That's how powerful it is. So everything's linked with each other, right? By doing that, you can access to many different articles within or fall into your search results. And you do need to pay attention to time cited. It's a very important parameter of value telling you how important this paper is. Usually it's a review paper if it's cited more than 1,000 times. But nonetheless, this is a quick short demo to show you how you can access Web of Science, and through Web of Science, how can you utilize the search engine to get the information you want. Once you get the list of papers, how you utilize their function, their sorting to quickly get the most cited paper, and to check the impact factor of the journal and start to download the paper and read through it. If you still have questions, please let me know. This is all straightforward, but it does take some practice to get familiar with the interface and understand what are the different things you're seeing in Web Science.